Okay. Ski. Okay, go. Go, go, go. Don't run, don't run, don't run. We got time. We got 12 minutes. Stop here or don't. Actually, well, no, keep going, keep going, keep going. Tarp doesn't go this far back.
The front props near the front. Go. Front props, go to the front. What does he even need to tell them? You have so many special. Why is the entire band? Whoa.
You good?
No, that's about it. We were about to hit Alejandro.
Oh my God. Keep moving.
You guys have to get flip this shit. We gotta flip this shit. Hey, you guys going far. Yeah, we're actually flip this real quick. The bottom one goes behind us. Why are they leaving it in the wind? Alright, we need to flip this so should we like...
This is good enough. Get your instruments off.
No, instruments can stay on while we move.
While we move it, they could fall.
Yeah, take the sleeves off.
Wait.
Where we've got to point this.
On the ground. Just put them on that one for now. All right, 3, 2, 1. Go.
The marks are close, but don't think the marks are gospel.
Is that good?
Okay, that one's close.
Yep, there we go. All right. Next one. 3, 2, 1. Left.
Down to the weight side, make it
Pivot.
turn. Over itself a couple times.
Make sure it's almost lined up with that.
The prop.
It doesn't matter if it's
Good.
That's for Danny. This is good. Doesn't matter if this is lined up, it's just the front. Should we lift it over so it doesn't wrinkle the prop?
Sure. Wait for Danny also, you might want to move.
No, close enough isn't gonna cut it. It's not straight. It has to be close enough. It has to be straight, or else the entire thing's not going to be close enough. And then when we have to redo it, is it going to be close enough? Yes. If that one's set, lock the wheels on this one. Yeah. Okay. Well, we might have to adjust stuff though. No, this one won't be adjusted because this stuff is all perfect. Okay. These ones are.
All right, leave it.
I'm good. I'm just doing wheels.
All right, good.
We're going pretty slow.
Lock this wheel.
Latches.
Got it? Okay. Yep, good.
This one.
Maybe we shouldn't latch it.
Wait, that's wrong.
Yeah.
Get that right.
No, they just need a good yank.
Straighten it out. Latches.
Ready? Wheels.
Oh, did someone latch it? Oh, no, it's on.
Okay, no. There we go. Got it.
Oh, someone locked it in the wrong position.
Just latch.
Okay. These are all good, I think. Okay. All right, are we good? I think so. We're good.
Thank you.
Let's go. Tubas, go.
Abby, get your tuba. Yeah. My camera picked that up. Go! Grab the ball, hurry up! Grab the ball and get down all the way! Yo! Take Charlotte!
Somebody give me your rifle.
On that! Who's trombone is that? Go, somebody just take it. Just take it. I don't.
Those unlatched?
Give me 16. 16. Go. Right here.
All right.
I can't. I lift him up. Here we go.
Who's taking it?
Away, move.
We're trying.
Let's go. Go.
I'm going.
Oh, which one is that?
The learning experience will have Pumpkin Palooza on October 12th.
Ah.
From 11 a.m.